Actually, Phantom's the one jumping on my butt. Hello guys and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. I'm going to try and get some cute photos of my puppy dogs wearing their antlers and their little Santa hats. So yeah, I have a feeling this is going to be difficult. Okay, I think that was semi-successful, Phantom. Oh, buddy, what happened? Phantom, what happened to your hat? Oh, little one. What happened to your hat, buddy? Phantom. Even Fudgy's like, dude, you look strange. What happened? What is on your head? Come here, little one. Come here. Little one. I'm getting eaten alive by mozzies out here. Phantom actually really loves his hat. So I just go pick up my stuff. He will like walk around with it on and not try to take it off. And he's like, yep, look at me. I look so good right now. It's actually really funny. Oh my gosh, look at this photo. I'm just flipping through them and look at this one. I love it. That's probably just going to become my like profile picture or something. Oh, that's so cute. Look at Fudgy's face. This is his cheeky face, his cheeky puppy face. Oh, so cute. Oh, you guys, look at that one. Little Phantom. How adorable is that? It is so hot and gross today. When Tim gets home from work, we're actually going to go for a swim. So, oh, I can't wait. It's been disgustingly yucky here today. I'm making myself a nice coffee, so I've got my milk frothing in there. So while that's frothing, let's do my advent calendar. So I'm still hoping for a popping candy because we haven't had one yet. So let's go with popping candy. Come on, popping candy. It's a popping candy. Oh, by the way, painted my nails. This is by OPI called Meep Meep Meep, I think. I think it's from the Mickey Mouse collection, but basically it's just like a glittery, kind of like a hot pink red sort of shade, like a magenta. It looks a lot more red on camera than it does in real life. It looks a lot more magenta. But I thought I should put some polish on for the Christmas season. Now I'm wondering if this tastes just like the magical elf, because they both have popping candy in it, so. And it tastes just like the magical elf. At least that means we've got 2 popping candies in the calendar, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I'll bring my goggles. Tim is home and we are off to have a swim. showers and made some dinner, which is a little bit different. It's half Thai and half Tim creation, I'm gonna say. So we've got the rice with a crispy fried egg on top, which is called what, Tim?
Hai dao.
Oh, okay. In Thai. And then some soy sauce and probably oyster sauce or something.
Yeah.
Maybe. And then the red stuff is like a pasta sauce, and that's just for me for flavour. So it's a little bit different. And we are watching the rest of Inside Out, which we kind of fell asleep to last night. So we need to finish that. Well, it's time for bed, guys. I'm pretty exhausted. It is 10 o'clock, and I think that's a good time to go to bed right now. So I will see you guys in the morning for Vlogmas day 9. Yes, day 9, because today is day 8.
This is Phantom swimming for the first time. Olympic swimmer right here.